Hello everyone. Now I'm going to be showing you how to use one of the other decentralized apps on the Alt-Hash web platform, and that is my Offspring. And this will allow you to register your children on the Alt-Hash blockchain, creating a digital, immutable, and accessible birth certificate. Alright, so to do so, we need to have a wallet with HTMLcoin open in the Alt-Hash web platform. So let's do that. Restore from key file. Alright, here are my two tokens that I've created. Let's go to my Offspring. Alright, so I have one daughter and I'm going to register her right now. Don't laugh at my middle name. Okay, date of birth. 14th, the 9th, 2014. Time of birth. Okay, the format. Right. Let's call it 5 o'clock. Place of birth. It was Clinic Darnay, Peep, Mauritius. I'm happy with that. Everything's spelled correctly. Confirm. Okay, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to save this data on a text file on a USB key where I keep all my wallets. That's copied. Confirm. Okay, after this video I'm going to save this onto a text file and put it onto a USB, but it is as simple as that. Now my daughter is registered on my Offspring forever and ever. That's it guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Bye for now.